Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete call history on Snapchat. So Snapchat does not have a dedicated call history section, but call log appears in the chat conversation. So to remove call history, you need to delete the chat. And here is a simple step on to delete the chat history from the chat conversation. So open the Snapchat and go to the chat screen, then find the conversation where the call history you want to delete, then press and hold the chat, then tap chat settings, then select clear from the chat field, then confirm by tapping clear. And this is a simple way to delete the call history from the chat or conversation. And note that this can only be clear from your own feed. The other user will still or might still have access to this, but this will temporarily delete the call history from your own end, but with not from the other person's end. And that's it.